Welcome back to Morning Sun Homestead. We are in the kitchen again today to make more cranberry juice. We make cranberry juice two separate ways. The way that we're going to be making it today is equal parts of cranberry and water in boiling water. We are going to boil our cranberries until they start to burst, and then we'll proceed from there. The other link that is going to be in our description below will show you how to put cranberries in a glass jar, put sugar, hot water, and then do a hot water bath to keep on the shelf to be shelf stable for when it's needed. The way this recipe begins, it takes equal amounts of cranberries versus water. So if we do 2 cups of cranberries, we need 2 cups of water. If you do 10 cups of cranberries, you need 10 cups of water. Our ratio is going to be 10 cups of berries because that's what we had to 10 cups of water. So we're going to fill this up with 10 cups of water, and then we're going to put it on the stove, let it start boiling, and watch the berries to start bursting. We're going to show you that process as they go through that. Our other video that we have also posted previously on the cranberries, which is in the link below, will have to stay in the jars for 4 to 6 weeks before the taste of the cranberries will leach into the sugar syrup water that's in the jar. This, once it's completed and cools off, can be drank immediately. So that's the difference in the two recipes. We've just started our pot of cranberries, 10 cups of cranberries to 10 cups of water. So they are going to have to cook approximately 20 minutes. We want them to start bursting, and when that happens, we're going to show you that process so you know exactly what it looks like. The pot beside of it is the other way that we also do cranberry juice. Don't forget to check out that link below. While we're waiting on our cranberries to cook and start to burst, let's talk a little bit about their health benefits. Cranberries may be small, but they are mighty. They have a lot of vitamin C and E, which double up to make a healthy antitoxin that helps with chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. The cranberries also contain an anti-inflammatory property that can improve heart health and digestive health. They contain a beneficial compound that can prevent and treat UTIs. When we get cranberry juice from the grocery store to help UTIs, we're really not benefiting ourselves at all because it's loaded with sugar. And because of the sugar, it doesn't help us at all. But when you make your own cranberry juice, you're in control of how much sweetness they will have. You can do them completely without any sugar. It will be a pucker-induced response, but it will be very healthy for your digestive tract. We are 7 minutes into the processing of cooking our cranberries to make cranberry juice, and they're starting to pop. Every now and then you can hear them. They sound like popcorn, and when they pop, they kind of split the skin. As you can see there, one just popped now. The cranberries are beginning to get soft. As you can see, if we push them against the side of the pot, they do smash. But we're going to continue to cook for about another 5 to 7 minutes. The cranberries have boiled for approximately 20 minutes. So we're going to get ready to strain them through cheesecloth. We're going to allow the cranberries to sit there and drain naturally. At the end, we will have to squeeze it, but because we squeeze it, we will have to let it set overnight. Otherwise, our juice will be cloudy. We don't want it cloudy, so that's the next process. The cranberries have drained, so now we're going to take this up and just spin it and try to get any leftover juice. Like I said, it will make our juice a little cloudy, but we'll leave it set in the refrigerator overnight, and the cloudiness will settle out. Don't throw the puree away. It can be used for numerous things. You can add it to your oatmeal, you can put it in granola, you can cook it down and make like a small jam, you can make cranberry sauce. Just don't waste that. There's lots of goodness left. As you can see, you get a whole lot more juice when you do the other method, if you view our other video, than we do with this. But that's because we don't have berries mixed in with our juice. For 10 cups of water, 10 cups of berries, we got 1/2 a gallon. Now this has not been sweetened, so once we sweeten it, it will also come up. The sweetener is going to be based on your taste. You can use honey, you can use maple syrup, you can use pure cane sugar. You could also tweak this recipe a little bit at this time by also adding some sort of orange juice if you wanted to give it a subtle flavor. You could add homemade apple juice. That would be a natural sweetener. You could also add pineapple juice. You could add a stick of cinnamon while the berries were cooking and popping. There is a million and different ways to do this cranberry juice. We're just going to add a little bit of sugar to ours, and then we'll leave it set in the refrigerator overnight. We probably won't can this because it's only a half a gallon and we'll drink it at one time. But if you did can, it would be, for quarts is going to be 20 minutes, and a half a gallon would be 40 minutes, and a pint would be 10 minutes, depending on what size your jar was. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to make your own cranberry juice. Also, check the links for the other way of how we make our juice that will give you more juice, but not quite as the taste, what you get when you cook your berries out. Also, pay attention to the links below for anything else that we're going to make with our puree that we have left over. Thanks for watching and have a great day.